Hello, my name is Christian Haile. I'm a student representing the 2019 University of Florida SURF program. Originally, I am a committed Rattler attending Florida A&M University as a College of Pharmacy student graduating in 2021, but I decided to attend the University of Florida summer program to expand my knowledge on what it means to be a PhD student and how it could benefit me as a pharmacy student. Looking back, I had a lot of great memories here at the SURF program, which made my experience truly unforgettable. I learned the accountability that both graduates and postdoctorates hold on a day-to-day experience and how their contributions to science can truly impact others. During the experience, I collaborated with the College of Pharmacy under the Department of Pharmacotherapy and Translation Research and was matched to work with Dr. Jatinda Lamba, whose focus is on the identification and characterization of genome epigenomic markers predicative to therapeutic outcomes in AML patients. I also worked with postdoctorate Roya Raffi, whose focus is on clinical translation research, specifically hematology and oncology stem cells, with consideration to acute myeloid leukemia in translation of research. I also worked with graduate student Abdurrahman El Sayad, who also worked in the Department of Pharmacotherapy and Translation Research, doing statistical analysis, and research interests include single nucleotide polymorphism biomarkers associated with treatment outcomes in pediatric acute myeloid leukemia. I also worked with exceptional graduate students such as Mohammed Gadrozi, whose research interests include the focus of CD33 SNPs and its impact to GO response. With the help of these faculty members in the College of Pharmacy, I was able to successfully learn more about pharmacogenomics and its relationship to leukemia patients, as well as what it means to do research. During the known as single nuclear polymorphisms are altered single nucleotides that can cause variations of gene sequence and patients' genotypes. This single gene variation can alter the genetic coding of a person's DNA and can impact how patients react to drugs. The clinical relevance of this project is to treat patients according to their SNPs to obtain a higher therapeutic dose and less toxic response. My project involved researching potential SNPs and their relationship to drug toxicity in AML patients. Based on the SNP's relevance and its impact on drug toxicity, it's our job to decide which SNPs would have the strongest association impact on the drug. In order to find the proper SNPs relating to the leukemia drug, I used the database PharmGKB. This database is used to find which SNPs are commonly associated with the drugs used in the trial, as well as presenting articles from PubMed about the drug's relationship to toxicities. One of the articles that I discovered during my research was how patients taking the drug cytarabine had a specific genotype within the NME1 promoter, had an increased risk of having cytarabine-induced neurotoxicity in AML patients. I also worked with AML patients' blood samples by isolating their DNA and would later test them using a genotype assay. Because the goal of the project was to obtain over 100 AML patients, the project is still in its early stage. This means the department would require more blood samples before it begins genotype open array testing. From my SURF experience, I have had a better understanding of pharmaceutical research and hope to pursue a career that combines both academia and research. After obtaining my PharmD, I will apply for my PhD here at the College of Pharmacy and consider a program specializing in pharmacogenomics. This experience has taught me so much in a short amount of time and made me realize the endless possibilities my pharmacy career could take me. My experience at SURF has showed me the amount of dedication and passion it takes to become a PhD student. I discovered quickly that graduate students are fueled by their excitement to learn and to discover, and that commitment is the only way to survive in this program. Overall, I want to thank the College of Pharmacy for having me in this program, as well as the faculty for guiding me throughout this process.